So you might be in a situation where for some reason TikTok is just loading up very, very slow. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're either logging into TikTok or you're going through and actually loading up TikToks like this, and quite potentially these TikToks are just taking up so long to load and you don't even know what's going on. Well, the very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure your internet connection is set up properly and you're connected to a fast internet connection, because if you're not, chances are it's probably not going to load up properly at all anyway. So what you want to do is you want to check your Wi-Fi and you want to check your data and cell connection in general. As long as those things are set up properly, then you're probably okay, and it's usually not an issue with that. So the next thing I'd recommend doing is after you check your Wi-Fi and everything and you can see that you're good, the next thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and seeing why exactly are those TikToks taking so long. If it's taking a long time to load the first TikTok but the rest TikToks are fine, then that's probably just a glitch. But if all the TikToks are taking a long time to load, you just want to also go ahead and see if your application has been updated for the most part. So what I would recommend doing here is going into your app store right here, and all you want to do is go ahead and update your TikTok application. So click on the search bar down here, go and click up here, and all you want to do is just go ahead and type in TikTok like this and update your TikTok application. So click right here, go ahead and click update, and you want to go ahead and give it a few seconds, and once the application is updated, then you're pretty much going to be good to go. That's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, as long as the application is updated and you go back into TikTok and it's working fine, then that's probably all you have to do. But if TikTok is still not working even after this, one of the other things I would recommend doing then is going to a website like downdetector.com, like isitdown.com. You can go to one of these websites which will basically just go ahead and tell you what's down and what's not. And if you see TikTok on this application, or if you see TikTok on this website, then that probably means TikTok is down and there's really not much you're going to have to do except wait it out until they fix it. You can also try restarting your phone and other things like that, but that'll pretty much fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.